Hey guys, this is Jay Kapoor here, and in this video I will show you how you can automate your home for under $5. Okay Google, turn on light.
Okay.
So it's pretty easy to do it. All you need is this device, some wires, a scissor and your phone. So this device is called Son Off and it's basically a Wi-Fi smart switch, and it's pretty damn easy to set it up. You just need to unscrew the screws, connect the input to a power source, connect the output to whatever electronic device that you need to smartly control. Now you need to install two apps. The first one is EV Link. So install that, open it up, register for an account, sign in, then quickly pair with the device by long pressing the button on the device for 5 seconds and selecting quick pair and tapping on next. So once that is done, once your device is registered on their server, install the IFTT app, register for an account there and sign in. Now once that is done, you need to open up your browser, search for Google Assistant IFTT, because this applet is not enabled by default. You need to manually enable it. So tap on the first link, tap on connect, sign in, and it will be enabled. So open up the IFTT app now, go to my applets, create a new one, tap on this and search for Google Assistant. Tap on say a simple phrase. Now in the what do you want to say field, type whatever phrase you would like to use to trigger the action. We will skip the optional fields and we will straight away go to what do you want the assistant to say. So okay, turning on light. So this is done, literally this is done. Now we will set up that. Now tap on that, search for EV Link Smart Home. Go for the last option, which is turn one channel switch on or off, and set it to on, and that's it. And now you need to create one more applet if you want the turn off feature also. The settings are exactly same except the switch is off instead of on. So once you have done that and once everything is done, you can control the connected device smartly. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, click the like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next one.